Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, as you saw in the title and thumbnail, we are doing another Hot Wheel case unboxing. This is the Hot Wheel Case K, and yes, I have done a Case K in the past, but it was an international version. This is a US case, so the cars, like the backs, I think are just like slightly different. But I'm really hoping that we get the Super Treasure Hunt in this. I know I really want it. It's actually the Mazda, which looks really cool. But before I get started in this case unboxing, I am doing a giveaway on my merch store, and I'm giving away this Hot Wheel Elite 64 mod shop. This is the one where you can build your own Toyota Tacoma. This thing is absolutely amazing. It has a ton of different parts. There's different like layouts or different paths you can go. It's shown kind of mod A, mod B, but you can honestly do it however you want. And this is actually what I did with mine. I did have an extra one, so I went ahead and opened one for myself. This is what the car looks like. Super detailed, super awesome, and man, I absolutely love this thing. But this is a brand new, sealed for one of you guys. All you have to do is hop on to shopemptyparadise.com, get entered into my giveaway right now, and this thing is going to be awesome for whoever picks it up. Also, the cars in this case will be available on my store, and a lot of them, as this video is live, are actually live right now. So definitely go check it out. But let's go ahead and lay this on its side. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and cut this open. But on my merch store, I do have a lot of Hot Wheel mainline. I have a bunch of premiums on there, RLC cars. I'm going to have some Super Treasure Hunt, regular Treasure Hunts, and a lot of other stuff on there, even some car-related products as well. So you definitely don't want to miss out on any of that. But this box does have a little bit of kind of bumps and dings on it, so hopefully if we get anything good, they're not damaged. But let me move these out of the way. And now we can go ahead and get started with the unboxing, starting right up on top. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay, so we got the 24/7. We have the Pagani Zonda R in yellow, and then the Baja Bison T5. Wow. Okay, I did not expect that right off the bat. I mean, there's the Batman animated series Batmobile, but we have the Treasure Hunt right there. So this is the Bone Shaker, and you see right there the little red logo is the Treasure Hunt logo. And then let's get it kind of flipped up there. You can kind of see, let's see if I get it. There we go, the logo and the text behind the car. This is the Treasure Hunt. And honestly, the package looks amazing. Like, this is in great condition. Honestly, I did not expect that, especially like the second pull out of the case. So that's pretty awesome. Next up, we have the Groo-mobile, and this one's actually damaged. So I'm lucky that the Treasure Hunt did not get damaged, but another vehicle did. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. I do actually have a Groo-mobile available on there that's in great condition, so don't worry. Everything I do ship out on my website will be in great condition. If there's any damages on the card or anything, I definitely don't have it on there. But let's see what else we have. All right, we got the Land Rover Series 2, the Rally Speciale, and the Pontiac Aztec Custom. Alright, so we have the Later Crater, the Birthday Burner, and the Dragnator, or Dragster, sorry. Yeah, some of these cars, especially like the fancy cars, are kind of tongue twisters. Alright, so I just realized that this card is completely messed up. Obviously, it's really mangled right there, so that's disappointing. But we do have the 95 Mazda RX-7. This thing looks really good. And then we also have the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento, as well as the K&N 73 Jeep J10. Alrighty. What else do we got? Oh gosh, more damaged cars. Man, this kind of sucks. So we have the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. That one's in great condition. The 96 Porsche Carrera, and that's a Magnus Walker car. Also in great condition. And this one's just heavily messed up. It's all kind of bent, dented down here. Top of the card's all mangled up here. But the 84 Mustang SVO. Alright. And we have the Land Lowrider, the Chrysler Pacifica, and the 90 Acura NSX. All right, we have a Total Disposal, a Rink Racer, and another 90 Accurate NSX. Man, I really hope that if the Super isn't here, I really hope it's not damaged, because that would be such a bummer. So let's see. Okay, we got the Track Dwagon, the 70 Dodge Charger. It's actually a Fast and the Furious car, and it's tuned, which looks pretty cool. And then we have a Mailed It. All right. Oh, here's one that I was really looking forward to. We got the Bumblebee, the Volkswagen Beetle, and he even has like the little gosh, I'm like drawing a blank now. Little Transformers logo on the top there. Not the Decepticon, but the good guys. Drawing a blank. So I actually do want to open up one of these at some point and put on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. This one's actually in great condition, so I kind of hope I get a Autobots. There we go. But I hope I get a damaged one later in this case so I can open up. We also have the Mod Rod and another 95 Mazda RX-7. Now we have another Rink Racer, a Speed Bump, and a Custom 68 Camaro. Alright, so we got a T-Rex Royer, a Baja Bison T5, and a Total Disposal. Alright, so that's the first half of the case. Let's go ahead and pull out the divider, and I'm really hoping we got the Super in here somewhere. But let's get started right up on top. Ooh, I'm getting a little nervous. I have the DeLorean Alpha 5, a McLaren P1, and a really nice blue, which I really like that. And then a Later Crater. Ooh. We got some good ones in this pull. We got the Mad Mike Drift Attack, the 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, and the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L. Oh, another one with a bent card. It's really disappointing. But at least it's kind of like a fantasy car and it's not a kind of licensed car. So you got the Track Dwagon. And then we have a Bugatti Bolide in yellow, which looks really good. And that one's actually in great condition. And we have the 2020s Koenigsegg Jesko in purple, which looks really good. Oh, we got a weird shaped one. Kind of feels like a motorcycle or something. Oh, yep. Alright, so we have a 96 Porsche Carrera, a Duck and Roll, and then the 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. Alrighty. Ooh, that's a nice one. There's a 2010 Camaro SS. We have the Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6, and it's the Porsche 964. And it kind of has like a really deep maroon color. It even has like blue windows, which looks really good. But a little tuned Porsche 964. And then we have the Tanknator. Alright, we got another 1970 Dodge Charger from Fast and the Furious. Got another Pagani Zonda R in yellow. And another DeLorean Alpha 5. Let's see. Alright, got another McLaren P1, Custom 68 Camaro, and a Surf Duty. Man, I always get nervous in these cases, especially when I start to get down to like I feel like there's about like maybe like 25% left of the case, and I'm like getting really nervous, hoping that the Super's in here. We got a Mailed It, a Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, and a No-Lune Hypervan. Man, it actually sounds like somebody's like mowing outside, so if you guys do hear that, just ignore it. Alright. And I haven't even found the car that would be the Super, even if it was in here. Still not yet. We got the Desert Drifter, another Duck and Roll, and another Batman Animated Series Batmobile. That one actually looks really cool with the little yellow stripes there on the top. Yeah, so we're looking for that Mazda 787B, and that should be the Super. I feel like there's only just a few cars left. So I really hope that we got it. Oh. That's interesting. Whenever there's a Super in a case, the regular variant is not in the case. So you either get, like that car, you only get like one of them, or you get the Super. This case, we just got 2 of the regulars. There should, in theory, only be 1 Mazda 787 in the case. And that's kind of interesting that we got 2. So let me know if you guys have ever seen that in a case before. But in theory, if there's a Super, the regular one should be taken out. But we have 2 regular ones, and they're side by side. So I'm wondering if there was supposed to be a Super in this case, and maybe it got swapped or something. I mean, this was a single taped case, and everything's legit. The site I get this from, I have gotten Supers before, so this is the first time I've ever seen something like that happen. So maybe it's something that happened in the factory where we got 2. I mean, it's a really nice car still, but in theory there should only be 1, and even if there's a Super, it should be swapped out. So the fact that we got 2 of the same is really weird. But alright, but we still got the rest of the case. Who knows? Maybe there's still a Super in the case. I just haven't gotten there yet. Maybe there's 3 of those. I'm not sure. We also have that Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. And there's still some more cars left, so let's see what else we have in here. I got the Mad Mike Drift Attack, Nolund Hypervan, and 92 Ford Mustang. I think we still have a few more. Yeah, last 3 cars in the case. And wow, these are heavy. Dang, that has some weight to it. We got the 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator, another 92 Ford Mustang, and we got that Shelby Cobra 427 SC, and it even has like a Zamac finish. So it's not an official Zamac, but it does have the finish of one, which I think is pretty cool. I did see that a couple times recently, and in some newer cases. I don't want to spoil anything, but there is another car coming up soon that does have this finish to it as well. That's not a Zamac, which is pretty interesting. So put down in the comments down below which one of these cars is your guys' favorite. But also, if you do want to pick up any of these cars, they are available on my site. A lot of the fancy cars I don't have on there, but definitely a lot of them I do. So if you guys are interested, link in the description down below. And when you guys hop on, pick up some of these cars, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. So you do not want to miss out on that. The Hot Wheel Elite 64 mod shop. So definitely go check that out. Link in the description down below. Also, if you guys want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Also, while you're down there, hit the like button too if you guys did enjoy this video. But as always, thank you for watching.